cool. A bit different out here. We're at Hefner Lake in the channel in between MacArthur and I guess it's the Lake Drive or Lake Hefner Drive or whatever it's called on the dam there. Where it goes down over the river. Channel that runs from Oklahoma to Hefner. Down here in that spot. Never been down here before in a kayak. So that spot looks promising. But I don't know just yet. The down tree over here I may fish by. I'll run the camera this way until I catch a fish. Then I'll switch it back to my head probably. Oh shit, oh my god. Woo! Well, he took off like nobody's business. Wow, dude. Wow, that's amazing. I mean, he just, hear that? Wow, dude. I mean, he took the bait and ran. It's got to be a carp. Take it easy on him. Don't get that net ready. What? Pretty tough. Big old catfish. Big old catfish. Who said catfish don't fight? Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about, dude. That's some bitch fuck. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to tone the cussing down. Really gonna try today to tone that down. That's a nice cat. Nice big old cat. Wow, that's a baby. That is nice. Hello, catty cat. He is 4 pounds. complain. Put him in the net. 4 pounds and what is he? Let's see. He is almost 2 feet long. He's a little over about 20 inches long, almost 2 feet. Does that work? That first one was unexpected. I did not expect to catch a fish that quick. Not like that anyway. I was expecting, you know, nibble, you know, catch a carp type thing, not a freaking big old catfish taking off of my stuff. I had no idea that was going to be the case. Pretty exciting stuff though. I mean, there was no, I mean, he took my pole. I mean, I had to grab my pole. I mean, he didn't slide across the boat, but it moved a little bit. I looked over and I wasn't even looking at my bobber. I was just sitting there fishing, looking around. And see, I hear my pole start to move, and I look up and my bobber's gone, and the string's tight as a freaking guitar string. I'm like, what? And then it was on. It went all the way, spun me around. It was awesome. So, yeah, I'm finally catching catfish. Catfish and carp. Tear that up. Anyway, yeah, it was cool. Good way to start the day off. Well, I got you, I don't know what you are, but I got something. Another catfish? Wow, man, the catfish kind of day. Another catfish. Another good sized catfish. Yeah, dude. What's going on over here? What I'm talking about. Well, the other one was 4 pounds, so this one here, he's probably a couple pounds. Inch wise, yeah, he's about 14 inches, so hey, that's all right. Oh yeah, look at that. Got me another one right there. I don't know if it's a catfish or a carp, but he's breaking it down. That's awesome. Get out of there. Another catfish right there. I'm here freaking 5 minutes. I catch another catfish. It's beautiful. Man, beautiful. I guess I have to take back what I said about bigger catfish fighting on freaking, not fighting like carp. He's still not quite the fight of a carp, but still. Good little fight there, buddy boy. Got you good too. Caught me another good one. Look at that. $18 inches. Probably about as big as that second one. A little bit bigger than the second one.